Whatever the wheel lands on is the type of face mask I'm gonna do. Sprinkles. 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 Do you like the sprinkles? Let's go. This unicorn horn is a weapon. Now I'm just adding a drop of my blood. Wow. Peptide. Turn it on. Now I'm gonna stop and dump it on in the mold. Now we are gonna let her sit and then we're gonna try it. Here we go. Oh my gosh. It looks like a unicorn threw up. Did somebody say eyeball face mask? Run it. Let's turn it on. Oh, look over here. Whoa, that's so weird. Now I'm just laying out some eyeballs. Perfect. Let's turn this off. Dump it in. I'm gonna let her cool and then we're gonna try it. Let's try it. Oh, the eyeballs fell out.
We use coffee and now you guys are asking, can we make a honey face mask? I have no idea, but we're gonna have to try it. You can't just put honey on your face, but it's just not for me, it's too sticky. So, we're on a mission. That was a bit aggressive. See, I do have a kettle. Is that even a kettle? Someone please let me know. I have leftover honey from when I froze it. Not me being resourceful. I decided I wanted to be pretty and have glitter as well. So I have a few glitters prepared and I also have these gold flakes. Here it is, the star of the show. Adding some water. Mix it in. I want more honey. And let's start. Looking good. And here she is. The mask is in the fridge. I'll do it in about an hour when it solidifies.
Please make a rose petal face mask and we will give you 2 million. Run it. We're just gonna dump this into the mold. Now I'm gonna pull off some of these rose petals to throw in. Now that I got them all off, we're gonna add them in. Now we're gonna add in our peptide. Now I'm gonna put some of the extra petals into the mold. Okay, this is what we're looking like now. And it is time to turn this off and dump it in. Now I'm gonna let it set in the fridge and we'll be back to try it. Let's try it. Okay, it actually worked, but it's like sliding off my face. Thanks for watching.
Welcome to part 2 of us making a honey face mask. For the bunny headband. Let's see our mask. Oh, look at her shining on the soy milk. Let's go, baby. Wow, she is pretty. Taking the makeup off. Let's go. I hope the mask leaves little sparkles on my face. And here she is. Name suggestions down below. I feel like she's a Doris. Let's free Doris. Oh, come on. Doris just plays too much. And... okay, 3, 2, 1. Whoa, go off, Doris. She did end up losing a piece of her face. It tastes like honey. Too bad I can't eat this though. Look, okay, it's a little bit of nightmare fuel. Okay. And if I go like this, she's gonna fall off my face. I'm gonna wear it for 15 minutes. My skin has little sparkles on it. Bye-bye, Doris. Rest in peace.
Can you make a marshmallow face mask? Let's go. Now I'm gonna tear up the marshmallows. Now I'm gonna throw this in. And dump in the water. It actually dissolved. Now we're gonna throw in a peptide. And turn it on. I'm throwing in some extra while it's blending. Now I'm gonna turn that off and dump this into the mold. It looks really weird. I'm gonna let it sit and then we're gonna try it. Okay, let's try it. Oh my god, it actually worked! Ah!
We made a glitter face mask and it looked horrible. So now let's try and make a coffee face mask. Here's our little machine. I'm using a blend of roast and ground coffee. Here we also have the jezva. It is done. Okay, so I am supposed to mix it with water. At least I think so. Look at it spin. Okay, but I'm gonna make myself some coffee as well. Okay, I mixed the coffee and the water. Turn it on. And the peptide. Now we wait. I think it's done. Ooh. It actually filled out the whole mold. I'm so proud of you. I'm gonna give it a moment to solidify and I'm gonna go to the beach. And when I get back, we're gonna try the mask. Fingers crossed. We made a coffee face mask and now it's time to see how it turned out. I think this one is actually good, you guys. Excited! I did put it in the fridge. It feels better when it's cold. This one actually looks so good. By the way, I decided her name is going to be Helga. She just looks like a Helga to me. Please let's ignore the fact that this is so dirty. Okay, let's get Helga out of there. Oh my, come on, Helga, you gotta get out. Oh my god, no, 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 no. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Wait, but it looks so good. And it smells like coffee. I do have to hold it up because it's slipping off my face. I'm actually proud of myself with this one because it turned out really good. Absolutely love how jiggly it is. Oh my god. We're gonna leave Helga on for 15 minutes. And goodbye, Helga. And thank you for the good times.
Can you do a slime face mask? Like this video right now to give me good luck. I think I'm gonna mix this Nickelodeon slime with this Goofy slime. This one is really like liquid and this one's a lot more solid. Okay, let's dump in some gooey slime. Then we're gonna put in some of this slime. Now we're mixing those together. Warning, keep away from heat. Let's put it in the microwave. Now we're gonna dump it into the blender. Attempt to turn that on. Now we're gonna dump it into the mold. Now I'm just patting that in so it fills up the whole mold while leaving like the eyes open. So this is what it looks like and I'm gonna let it sit and then we're gonna try it on my face. I just put it in the fridge. Let's try it. Oh my gosh.